Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. SEMA 2018, Kyle live from Midwest Aftermarket inside of the Superchips booth alongside Jared. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Now, you know, Midwest has had a long relationship with you guys over the years, and I might have made a couple of jokes in the past about your physique. In a good way, though. Can we show the guns off real quick?
It's not mine. Oh, you're good.
Oh, okay, fine.
I don't want to intimidate you. That's all.
You know what? At the same time, I'd be afraid that if I were to show my guns off, the ladies might attack, and then we couldn't do the video, right?
No, we can't do that. We got to get the video done.
I tell you what, kids, start lifting some weights, you'll know what I'm talking about.
I'm trying.
What is going on with Superchips this year?
You know, one thing that we brought to market this year is our Dashpaq Plus. So Superchips has always been known for our handheld tuners, which is still, we do really well there. But a lot of customers want that bigger, nicer display in their cab of their vehicle so they can have gauges watching down the road, but then also tune it as well. So the Dashpaq Plus basically has came out, released to that. So it has all the tuning built in it, as well as all your gauges on it as well. So.
And what's so cool about that, too, is I think that smartphones have kind of gotten us all used to these big, large, beautiful touch screens. And for a long time, I mean, you know, a whole lot of companies were kind of behind in that regard. But now, boom, you've got this right here in front of you.
Yeah, and that's exactly, we try to keep the functionality like your phone because people are used to it, right? So it's all nice and smooth, touch screen, slide it across, different gauges, has Wi-Fi technology, so update in your garage versus take it and plug it into a PC and trying to find a way to update it. So,
which is a big deal too.
Yeah, that's been a nice feature. I mean, like I say, if you have a quick update you need, or hey, you need to add another vehicle to it, you can get everything done really easy with it. So.
10 years ago, the kind of product that did all of this would take so much longer to mess with.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, you know, hooking it up, trying to find what computer works on it, the software does, going through all the process. This is quick and easy. There's a quick tune menu in there, so if you're just doing a tire size or doing a full tuning application on it as well. So
what else is Superchips going on, man?
Well, you know, I mean, a lot of stuff, we try to look at our tuning and stuff in it. So we've been known to have really reliable tuning. And like the Dashpaq Plus, we actually backed it with our 2-year powertrain warranty. Really shows our customers, hey, our tuning is safe, reliable power that you can use every day. We don't want to feel like they're going to go and tear their truck up. So we do that, you know. We've had other stuff we added to the product line to help out throttle positioning with our amp throttle booster, our flash cow, which is a tire size adjustment tool. But really, I mean, this is our kind of our flagship product right now this year that released to really add that next level to the customer's lineup.
And we've been talking about all of these products on MidwestAftermarket.com. Also, you can check out the videos on YouTube for how to install this stuff, more information about it. I mean, I'm not trying to be full of myself, but do you think that my award-winning videos have made you guys be so successful this year?
Well, you know, all of them, that Pulsar one you did was amazing, so that was a great one. But hey, you know, yeah, this, you know, your videos help out a ton. I mean, you know, helping the customers actually understand the product, seeing what's about, and learn a little bit more. It's a lot. The buying process is a lot better. So going to the Midwest, seeing what's going on, learn about the product, not just read about it, and you can see what's going on. They have a lot more confidence in buying the product. So.
And do you also think that people are thinking, man, if a guy that sexy is going to have that product, I should too?
You know, that disclaimer at the first said, don't knock your socks off by this guy on the next screen. So I think that helps for sure.
Well, I think we should have that on all the videos. So. Well, Jared, that's going to be it for Superchips, man. And again, you can pick all these bad boys up and check out those videos we've been talking about on the YouTube page for Midwest Aftermarket. And again, MidwestAftermarket.com. Or pick up the phone and give us a call if you want to buy them. Thank you very much, my friend. Okay, show the guns for 1 second. There it is. Okay.